The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
Hey guys, my name is Yachna. Welcome to the Family Kitchen Season 2. Perfect recipe of love and food. Powered by Pillsbury Gold Atta in association with Goody and Noor Oil. Nature has given us such a perfect gift, food. But we as humans not only use it as a means of survival, but as a language of love and comfort, है ना? इसीलिए इस सीजन में हम देखेंगे so many people coming to our show and sharing beautiful moments over food that they share with a special someone, be it a family member or a very close friend. My name is Yachna and this is The Family Kitchen Season 2, the perfect recipe of love and food.
Hello, myself Prakriti Ramchandani and he is my son Punya. I am an event organizer. I do exhibitions basically and I am a blogger also, a TikToker also. So most of the time I am busy and I am not at home. So that's the reason he has learned how to cook because I have two younger kids also. So when I am not at home, he is the one who takes care of them and he is the one who cooks small things for them. So he has learned cooking from me, but now he is the mother for the home because I am not at home most of the time. So he takes care of the younger ones and cooks also sometimes.
I am so excited to introduce this very first duo on this show, and it is Prakriti and Punya, mother and son duo. Welcome on the show.
Thank you so much.
And the very first episode we have mother and son.
Yeah.
This is a good combination. Like I have seen even in my family, I love cooking with my dad, and my mother is always horrified कि क्या kitchen गंदी मिलने वाली है या नहीं. So tell us.
Same is the case.
Okay.
I clean and he makes it dirty.
Oh, okay. So, but who's going first today?
Me.
You. And what are you making for
This
us?
is exotic smoky Angara paneer.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is Punya's favorite, or you have two more sons, or is it like a family favorite?
It's a family favorite.
Okay.
My husband also loves it. Everybody in the home loves it.
Okay. So let's go for it. Tell us what all ingredients are going to be required in the recipe.
Sure. We'll start with the masalas first. Salt, turmeric powder, garam masala, chaat masala, sugar, kasuri methi, red chili powder, coriander powder, mango powder and jeera powder.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have 3-4 green chilies, 1 piece of garlic, 5-6 cloves of ginger and 3 onions. We'll make a paste out of it.
Okay. Okay.
2 tomatoes, we have made a paste out of
There's
it.
a beauty. Okay.
Yeah, this is okay. Now we have half liter of milk, 250 grams of paneer
Okay.
and 200 grams of yogurt.
And do we also need some add-ons?
Yes.
Okay.
Some coriander leaves, 1 onion diced into half inches piece, 1 big capsicum diced into pieces, 1 tomato diced into half-inch pieces, and 1 piece of charcoal we'll need to make it smoky paneer.
Angar.
Yes.
So actually one time we had guests at home and she was really tired because she came from the office. So I tried my best to help her. I went in the kitchen, I asked her, "Mom, can I help you?" So she gave me small jobs like peeling the potatoes, mashing them, opening the cheese slices, mixing the masalas, etc. So that is how it built my interest in cooking.
In our home, my younger one is most picky because it takes out mistakes from the food. I mean, he comes to know क्या ज़्यादा है, क्या कम है, क्या और ज़्यादा होना चाहिए था. He always tells me that, "Mama, you have not cooked this properly. ये थोड़ा सा काला हो गया है, ये थोड़ा सा कच्चा रह गया है." So he is the one who will always tell me that what is the mistake in my food. And he is the one who always asks for new things. Make this, make this, make this. So he is choosy also and he is demanding also. So I love to cook for them and I love specially to cook for him because he is the younger one also and he is very sweet and very demanding. Please, 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 please make this for me. So it's like that.
That is what we have to wait for. कुछ अंगारे जलेंगे लेकिन break के उस पार. We will see how the recipe pans out. See you after the break.
The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food. The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to The Family Kitchen Season 2. Perfect recipe of love and food. Powered by Pillsbury Gold Atta in association with Goody and Noor Oil. Well, we are ready with the very first recipe which Prakriti is gonna share with us. Very, very excited. तो oil से हर शुरुआत होती है. So we are gonna go through the recipe and as you cook and we'll see. But I also want to know from you, Punya, when mom is cooking, do you join her or is it like mostly you cook on your own?
I mostly like to join her, but sometimes she's busy, so she'll just say I'll do it on my own.
Okay. So have you learnt skills from her or like it was just एक दिन experiment किया kitchen में and successful हो गया?
कभी कभी.
कभी कभी.
He is a great foodie. He loves to eat at night.
Ah.
In the night, all
Late
my
night
3
snacks.
kids, they get up and they make noodles, they make pasta, cheese pasta, and they cook and they eat quietly and they clean the utensils and keep it back.
सारे सबूत मिटा के.
Yes.
That is good. That is good. So what are we going with first? The paste?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll add this paste.
Okay, Punya, I have a question for you. That do you remember what was the first thing you learned to cook on your own?
मैगी.
उसमें कुछ बनाने लायक नहीं है, 2 मिनट में खुद ही बन जाती है.
मैगी बनाना एक आर्ट है.
Art. Okay.
पहले पानी उबालना पड़ता है, उसके बाद मैगी को खोल के डालना पड़ता है, फिर मसाला डालना पड़ता है.
इतनी मेहनत.
स्टेप्स होते हैं.
Okay. But do you now like experiment with your recipes or are there
I
like 2-3
add-
things you like to cook and you stick
I
to that?
add cheese, then I add mayo.
Okay.
I make cheese Maggi and then there is anda Maggi also.
So ये जो लेट नाइट स्नैकिंग की बात चल रही थी, लाइक प्रकृति मेंशन्ड दैट रात को उठते हो फिर कुछ पकाते हो फिर बर्तन साफ करके सो जाते हो, तो क्या क्या पकाते हो? लाइक व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस?
Me and my brothers, we actually like to cook after 12 a.m. after everybody goes to bed because that's the time that we get more creative. We make cheese pasta, cheese Maggi.
That's the
Cutlets.
time when I don't see them.
Because when someone is there to observe you, he will count things that you did this mistake, you made the kitchen messy. So as long we all are alone, 3 of us, we can make whatever we want.
Okay, so it's mostly basically a pajama party with your brothers.
कभी कभी मम्मी गुस्सा करती है, कभी कभी मम्मी खुद भी ज्वाइन करती है.
पता कैसे चल जाता है if you already clean the utensils and all?
स्मेल आती है ना पूरे घर में.
Okay. Almost हर बार पकड़े जाते.
मोस्टली नहीं.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि हम लोग क्या करते हैं, धीरे से लैच नीचे करके किचन का गेट बंद कर देते हैं, तो फिर हम लोग 2 मिनट उधर ही रहते हैं.
Okay.
ताकि स्मेल पूरी चली जाए. फैन ऑन कर देते हैं. बट कभी कभी क्या होता
The
है,
ones who are watching can actually learn the tricks.
कभी कभी क्या होता है, मम्मी का फोन आ जाता है, फिर वो बोलती है तू मैगी बना रहा है ना. कभी गुस्सा करेंगी, कभी बोलेंगी आधा पैकेट मेरे को भी देके जा.
Oh, that works. थोड़ी बहुत रिश्वत तो होनी भी
Because
चाहिए.
if you want something, you have to bribe others. Because I bribe them also.
Absolutely. So what is the bribe that works? Food mostly with your brothers,
Yes.
right? How old are they?
They're 10.
Ah. Okay then. What are we going next with? Veggies?
We added the tomatoes. Now
Yes.
we'll add the masalas. Turmeric powder,
Okay.
some garam masala powder.
मसालों की तो क्लास लग गई है यहाँ पे आज.
This is coriander powder. I'll add them.
Okay.
Chaat masala.
I think dhania powder is like almost everybody's favorite in Indian food when it comes to spices. कि थोड़ा और डाल.
Mango
दिल
powder.
खोल के.
Adds flavor.
It does. It does. Okay. And
We are not fond of chilies, so little bit of red
okay,
chili.
because of your kids, you go
Yes.
with light spice. Okay. Cool. And we need this later.
We'll need this later. I selected this dish because it's the family's favorite, because we are 5 people in the home and everybody has different choices, but this vegetable, this dish, everybody in the home loves it.
So next.
Now when the oil starts coming on the side,
Uh-huh.
we'll add milk to it.
Okay.
And some yogurt.
Okay. Okay. That's a lot of yogurt.
Yeah. It will become more creamy, na?
The next.
Now we'll cook it for 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then we'll blend it with the blender.
Okay.
See how creamy it is becoming.
Yeah. So you said your brothers can easily be bribed with
Yes.
food. Do you also use this Petra on your mom? कि कभी कुछ like school में if you've not done well at any
Not in
test.
school, but mostly yeah. जैसे if I'm craving for something, if I'm craving for chips or something,
Okay.
so मैं मम्मी को बोलूँगा मम्मी नीचे नया फ्लेवर आया है.
हाँ.
या मम्मी आपको भूख नहीं लगी है? चिप्स बहुत खाने का मन कर रहा है मम्मी. फिर प्लीज बोलूँगा, फिर बोलेंगी ठीक है आधा पैकेट मुझे भी दे देना. तो फिर
No, he'll say it like this. थोड़ा सा ना फ्लैमिंगो हॉट डालूंगा, थोड़ा सा चीज डालूंगा। आप खाओगी क्या?
So पहले से भूमिका बांध देनी चाहिए।
Yes.
The person has to like really start imagining how good it will taste. So
Yeah.
then the answer has to be yes.
Now we'll blend it. Okay.
It's almost holy in that pan right now with a yellow young.
Now I'll need one more pan. We'll add little bit of oil and we'll saute these vegetables for 1 minute. 1 minute only.
So is this like a recipe you learned from your mother or like somewhere?
No,
Okay.
before I used to make Shahi Paneer only.
Okay.
Then in a restaurant I saw that they put these diced vegetables, so
Uh-huh.
it looks more tasty.
Oh nice.
So then I started adding the veggies also.
Anything
हम
else?
इससे
you
पुन्नू
need?
को मारते भी हैं किचन में अगर आता। We'll saute these for 1 minute
Okay.
and then we'll add tomatoes because
they
the
leave
tomatoes
water.
will leave water.
But we keep them a little kacha. No?
Yes.
Yeah. Crunchy.
Yeah. When we'll add these veggies, it will add so much color to the vegetables.
Has it ever happened to you that you go to a veg restaurant
Yeah.
and then you eat something and then you feel कि ये तो मैं भी बना लेती हूँ
ऐसी बहुत
या
सारी
मैं भी
चीजें
बना
हैं।
लूंगी like you
ऐसी
figure
बहुत
out
सारी
that-
चीजें हैं। मैं पता है क्या करती हूँ, मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ क्या क्या डाला हुआ है इसके
क्या
अंदर।
अच्छा ingredient
तो
checking.
घर जाके मैं बना सकती हूँ ये
Okay.
ऐसा।
So have you actually went home and replicated
Yes.
a recipe which you never tried before?
Yes, many times I have done that.
Great.
Again we'll add little oil,
Okay.
only little bit.
And this is for
This is for the paneer.
okay. So we do need to fry this a little. एक तो चीज फ्राइज का नाम सुन के फिर पनीर को देख के अभी भूख लगने लगी है. Koila is added in the end product or in the paneer
No,
right
in
now?
the end.
Smoky effect.
In the end.
In the end.
Yeah.
Like when you mix everything
Yes.
together.
Yes.
Okay.
Now the paneer is also ready.
Okay.
We'll add this to the gravy.
The coal is getting heated, and this is almost ready, right?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Now we'll add little kasuri methi to it
okay.
and sugar if you like.
Like a little.
We like sugar, so we add sugar. Now we have heated the coal
Okay. So what are you
Dash this for
gonna
a minute.
serve it with though?
with chapati.
Chapati.
This is a small
Foil.
katori type thing made up of foil.
Okay. This
We'll
is to
keep it
hold
in
the
center.
coal.
Yes. We'll keep the coal in this.
Oh,
We'll add
you have-
little oil so that
Okay.
it fumes out.
because the smoke is the main.
Yes.
And quickly we'll put the lid on.
We'll switch off the gas and we'll keep it for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. So as you mentioned that this gravy goes best with chapatis.
Yes.
So I think what's better than Pillsbury Gold Atta? We
Right.
have it right here. I think now it is ready. Ekdam
Yeah.
mast soft atta is ready for chapatis and the first one. And you know the best part about Pillsbury Gold Atta is that it is made out of 100% Sharbati whole wheat flour. So basically rotis made with this stay fresh for more than 6 hours. So the best option to pack them for lunch. I have to say that I've been waiting for this moment, and are we ready to plate it?
Yes.
Let's do it. And it's smelling divine. सभी साइड से थोड़ा थोड़ा पनीर प्लेट
No,
में
I want some tomatoes, some
okay.
onions.
So that it just
some
looks
capsicum,
appeal.
yes.
Okay. The look appeal is also something. Cool.
Now we'll garnish it with coriander.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time. Who gets to try it first, you or me?
You.
You.
I want to take a little bit of coriander garnish as well. बनाने वाले के हाथ चूम लिए जाएं because it is that
so
good.
much. Thank
so
you.
so good. It's really good. तुम्हें लगता है तुम इसे टक्कर दे पाओगे? Challenge accepted. No, I'm sure.
He
I'm
cooks
confident.
really good.
Of course. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a short break and we'll see you on the other side with more conversations about food and of course more recipes.
The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food. The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
Hey guys, my name is Yachna. Welcome to the Family Kitchen Season 2. Perfect recipe of love and food. Powered by Pillsbury Gold Atta in association with Goody and Noor Oil. And as I mentioned earlier, ab bari hai Punya ki to prove himself. And he's gonna make us some very interesting Maggi cutlets, right?
Noodle cheese cutlets.
Noodle cheese cutlets.
These are boiled and peeled potatoes.
Okay.
This is tomato sauce, soy sauce, chili sauce,
Okay.
black pepper, amchur, chaat masala, garam masala.
Okay.
Then these are 2 packets of boiled noodles,
Okay.
salt, corn flour, green chilies, then cheese,
Okay.
breadcrumbs,
Okay.
Maggi masala
Uh-huh.
and coriander.
This is all we need.
Yes.
वैसे देखा तुमने कि अभी हम रिवर्स गियर में जा रहे हैं. Like we had the main dish and now we're going towards the starter.
Yeah.
Any story when he started cooking this one and became a favorite of the family?
I like noodles and I like cheese. It's actually her recipe. She just tries new things, new fusions and then new recipes. So she actually taught me, and like we all are foodies at home and we like snacking all night, all day. So that's why.
We all love to eat cheese actually.
So that is why I'm making this dish for her.
So are you ready to make
Yeah.
it and impress us all?
Yes.
Chalo.
We're going to add the boiled potatoes first.
Okay.
Then we'll add some salt. Then some pepper.
मसाला आलू रेडी होंगे पहले.
पूरा उसके अंदर मसाला डालना है. This one is amchur. This is chaat masala.
I think one vegetable which is of the most tempting nature is aloo.
Then
Like
some garam
you make
masala.
anything out of it is just more tasty.
Because aloo is everybody's favorite.
It is.
Then this one is the Maggi masala.
Okay.
Then we'll use the whisk to mix it.
Okay.
Now we'll add 4 spoons of tomato ketchup.
Sauces का time है. Generally you eat cutlets with ketchup, so I'm just saying
Yeah.
this is going inside.
Now 2 spoons of soy sauce.
Okay.
And now just 1 spoon of chili sauce.
Okay. So not very spicy.
It actually depends on your taste.
You don't like it spicy.
No. Now we'll add the green chilies,
Uh-huh.
then the coriander.
And it looks nice. So are they ready? Next addition is noodles.
Now we'll add around 3/4 of noodles.
Okay. And we're gonna keep some.
Yeah. I've started doing with my hand because it's easier to do with the hand.
Okay.
How it's getting that color. And now we'll add some breadcrumbs.
Okay.
It's done.
Now we'll take some oil,
Okay.
grease our palms.
The technique to make the perfect cutlet.
ताकि आलू चिपके नहीं हाथ पे। And थोड़ा सा लेंगे।
And there's a secret ingredient that you're putting inside each cutlet. That's cheese.
Yeah.
Okay.
Add some cheese and close it from all sides.
Okay. So you stuff it.
Yes.
Yeah. The one dish which I could cook forever and never get tired is cheese pasta because I love cheese.
It's a love for cheese that will never end.
What a perfect cutlet you've made, Punya.
Thank you. हम लोग फिर अपने हाथ पे थोड़े से नूडल्स लेंगे,
Okay.
कटलेट लेंगे और उसके ऊपर थोड़े से और नूडल्स लगाएंगे।
Basically, it's going to be coated from both sides.
Yes.
Okay. So crispy. Okay.
We have to make sure that it sticks to the cutlet.
Okay. Or else it's going to come out while frying.
Yes. And it's done. Now we are going to fry this.
Okay, slowly. Yay. I think like you lend a hand to your mother in her recipe, she's also going to help you out.
Yeah.
बाकी माएँ थोड़ी प्रोटेक्टिव भी होती हैं. She doesn't want you near any hot oil.
क्योंकि अभी तक perfectly नहीं कर सकते ना.
हाँ तो कोई नहीं. Practice makes a man perfect.
Like around 3-4 days back when we were making noodle cheese cutlet, we were giving just a try because I wanted him to be sure before he's coming here how to cook it properly. So after we made all the cutlets, we switched on the gas, the oil was hot and he was standing like this. Chhod do, mama chhod do. So it was so like we laughed like mad and I was telling him throw it, just put it from down, don't throw it from up. So he was just chhod raha hu, dekhna oil mere upar nahi aa jaye. It was very funny. And he just loves to cook and he loves to stay with me. That is the main thing, that we love to be with each other. That's why we are in the kitchen together, because he loves to be with me and I love to be with him.
Now I see what you were talking about. It's going to get a really crispy layer to it.
Yeah.
So do you have any home favorite chutney for it? Like pudine ki or something? No.
Yeah, either
Or
pudine
because it
ki
is-
chutney or ketchup. Ketchup looks nice with this.
Okay. And we're done. The last party is on the plate. Are we ready?
Yeah.
देखें तुम्हारी मेहनत. Okay, who do you want to try it first? Yay.
No, you try it first.
No, please. Now he insists. अब आप मजाक में बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप सीरियसनेस में बोल सकते हो. किस पे गया है? बेटा मुझ पे गया है.
मेरा बेटा तो मुझ पे जाएगा ना.
Absolutely. नहीं देखो, अब मॉम्स और डैड्स के बीच में ये तो चलता रहता है. Whose talent has he
ये
taken?
वाला सच्ची में मेरे ऊपर गया है.
Okay, मैंने
जो
यकीन कर लिया.
middle वाला है
यकीन
ना,
का सबूत देखो अभी.
जो मिडिल वाला है ना, he is on his father and the third one is again on me.
And I
अब आप
agree.
बताओ.
I agree. This is amazing, Punya. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for cooking this for us. And guys, if you're watching and if you end up trying out any of these two recipes, do not forget to tag us Colors CV ME. And ये भी mention करना मत भूलना कि देखा कहाँ है, The Family Kitchen में. And now it's time to say bye-bye. Well, we come to the end of the very first episode of The Family Kitchen Season 2. But this is just the beginning. This journey is going to be super interesting because we have lined up many more foodie duos who are going to come here and inspire you with some very, very interesting stories, their love for food, and also some very interesting recipes to try out. Well, on that note, let me promise that I'll meet you next week right here on The Family Kitchen Season 2.